What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing a mega imposter from Among Us. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page and add some folds across the top edge of the mouth. Let's start over on the left side. We're going to draw a curve that goes up and we'll bend that down towards the right. Now I want to create an overlap, so I'm going to step back, going up, come all the way around, down towards the tooth and just bend that in. Let's draw the inside edge of the tooth. We're just going to bend this around and then in towards the top. Come down and then out. Let's draw another curve going up towards the top and bend this around, then over. Let's add a point going out and then come down. Let's work our way towards the corner of the mouth. We're going to go up, bend that down, and then curve up towards the side. Now from here we're going to work our way across the bottom of the mouth. Bring this down and over towards the right. Let's add a small tooth. Bring this up and then back down. Let's add a couple more teeth. And we'll add one more on the end. Going up. Now we want to draw the chin, going all the way around and then bend that in. Let's go back up to the top and draw on the visor. From this point, we're going to step up, round up the side of the visor, come in, and then bend that down. Let's round up the center and go up towards the right. That's going to tuck this in on top of the mouth. Let's go back and add some teeth in between. So we're going to start up here, come down and in. Just going to add a thin tooth, and then do that again. Let's go inside this gap and add another. And one more. Now on the front side, we're going to bend this back. Coming down and up. Let's add a couple more. Let's add the bottom row of teeth. Starting from the side, going up and down. Now we're just going to work our way over towards the right. Add a couple teeth in here. And then two more on the end. Let's close off the back side of the mouth, starting up here, bend this in, and then out. Now we're going to go back with a thick black marker and fill the inside of the mouth. And we want to go in behind the teeth. Now I want to go back down and finish off the chin. From this point, we're going to step up to create an overlap, come down, round up the chin, and pull that up. We're going to add a series of bumps across the bottom. Stepping down, around, and up. Add a couple more, just tuck in. Let's go underneath the chin, draw the body, coming down and in, and we'll create a fold. Stepping back, we're going to go out, and then all the way down towards the bottom of our page. Now you're going to draw the left hand on top of the body. So let's start here in the palm and come down, round up the palm, go up, and then in. Let's add that first finger, coming down towards a claw, and then taper that back up. Let's layer two more claws in behind over towards the right. So we're going up towards the knuckle, come down towards the tip, and I'll just tuck that in behind, and we'll do that one more time. Let's go back to the inside of the palm. We're going to come down towards the thumb, bend this up and in, and down towards the bottom. Let's close off the inside of the hand. From the finger coming down in behind the thumb. Now going to the top right side of the visor, we're going to draw the top of the head. We're going to go up and bend that down to create a fold. Step back, going around and then down. Now I want to continue adding these folds around the side of the head. So we're going to step back, going around and then in. Let's add a small one on top. go back, go around the hand, and then bend that in. Let's add a couple more folds coming down towards the bottom, around and in. One more going down towards the bottom. Let's add the backpack along the top. Start with the top edge going out and down, round up the side, and then bend that back down and in. Now we want to go back and add some bumps around the body. So we start on the top left, almost adding these half circles, and we can vary the size. Go across the chin, and then the body. Let's layer some more bumps along the outside perimeter of the body. Just tucking these in. And a couple more across the back. Now we're going to disconnect the hand on the right side. Let's start with the palm, coming down and then up. I'm just going to bend this in towards the thumb knuckle. Bend the thumb going up and then out, and then taper that back in. On the inside of the thumb, let's add the palm going out and then down. Let's go up to the top of the thumb, draw the first finger going up and out. Bend this out and down towards the tip of the claw, and then back in. Let's layer two more fingers in behind. Going up, down, and then back in, and then we'll do that one more time. Now underneath that last finger, I'm going to curve the palm, coming down and out. Let's tuck this in behind, and then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw a mega imposter from Among Us. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.